Hi guys, it's Spencer from LMS Motors here, and today, with our first video on this channel, we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 2021 Golf R. This Golf R comes in the LAPIZ blue metallic paint, which absolutely stands out from the crowd compared to any other vehicle. Like many other hot hatches, this car comes with a 7-speed DSG, which is super responsive. So we'll get into the fun stuff first. Under the bonnet is a 2-litre TFSI engine. With that comes with 320 brake horsepower. In a car of this size, it's like a little pocket rocket. In this particular Golf R, this one has the 10-inch upgraded display. Also, a virtual cockpit as well. We also have an electronic sliding pan roof as well. It doesn't come with no buttons in this car. If you buy this car from LMS Motors, you'll realise in this car there's no such thing as buttons. Everything is touchscreen, which I'm personally not used to, but it's quite funky. And also these seats as well, part Alcantara, part leather, with embossed, embroidered R logos on the seats as well, which are a nice feature. Also holds you in very well when taking corners. You know, it's not just a straight liner, you can take this thing around corners confidently as well. This car comes with multiple different modes as well, from eco all the way up to race. In between that you have comfort and sport as well. When you put it to race mode, the car actually becomes a lot stiffer as well, so you can take corners nicer. Gets rid of a lot of the body roll. The wheels on this car, 5-spoke diamond cut alloys. It also has IQ LED headlights, which actually look evil as well. The styling on them make this car look a lot more aggressive. When I first got in this car and I was driving it for the first 5 minutes, it actually has a heated steering wheel, which caught me by surprise.
Sorry.
As you can tell, it has voice control, which I don't want right now. One thing I like about this steering wheel as well is these touch pads on here. As a multifunction steering wheel, you can pretty much access everything in the car from the steering wheel. From the modes, from the heated steering wheel, from your music, from your voice control, cruise control, volume, everything. Everything's on the steering wheel. When they built this car, it's very driver focused. Everything from the dash, all the driver settings down here, the parking brake, the stop start button, and the cockpit, everything is facing towards the driver. If you guys want to know any more specs about this car and things you haven't heard in this video that you want to know about, check the description below. We're going to leave a massive spec list down below. Anyway, let's see what it's like. Just we're on a nice 60 road now, and we're doing under the speed limit, so let's keep it a little bit. Oh my god, very responsive, and this thing being 4-wheel drive is super grippy. And also, I don't know if you heard that from this camera, but we'll show you another shot now. It pops a little bit as well. A few little boy races, you're gonna like that. But yeah, we're gonna cut to a little exhaust clip right now so you can hear what it sounds like from the outside, because the interior, it's very quiet in here, very timid, but from the outside, it's not so timid. For a little 2-litre engine, this thing, I personally drive a C63, but I know this thing off the lights would absolutely thrash me. So this car currently has 10,000 miles on it, so if you buy it from us at LMS Motors, you get warranty until 2024. You drive at the dealership with that peace of mind. So on the virtual cockpit as well, you can actually see how much power you're using. You can switch these units on the dash as well, from torque, power, acceleration, time, speed. It's pretty much got everything. You can set your navigation, average speed, pretty much everything you want to know about your driving style, you can add to the virtual cockpit. So reading online, this car apparently launches from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. We're not going to do that in this video, but personally, I don't believe that. I think it's less than that. For a 2-litre engine with a DSG gearbox, I'm surprised at how responsive it is. I'll put my foot down, we're at 40 now, third gear, 3, 2, 1. Power's there within less than a millisecond. A lot of turbo cars do have a lot of lag, but this one, I'm surprised at how responsive it is. So I've been driving in sport for the past like 5 minutes or so now, mixed driving. I'm gonna put it into comfort now. Press the R on the steering wheel, go to comfort, completely silent, steering goes lighter, completely different car, which is what I like. You can go from being a super comfy car to being like a little pocket rocket go-kart just by a click of the steering wheel. Absolutely insane. If you are interested in buying this particular Golf R, the one I'm sat in right now, feel free to check out the description, check out the spec list, and come down to our dealership based in the West Midlands. The website, everything is down in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our website. Like I said, everything's in the description. Our social medias are down there as well. I tell you what, this car isn't going to be around for long. It's going to get sold very soon. What a car. Honestly, what a car. This car is currently up for sale for £42,495. And tell you what, get a lot of car for your money, I'll give you that. Fuel consumption, obviously if you're booting it everywhere, it's not going to be so great. Being like the previous Golf Rs, you're probably going to get about 17 to the gallon if you're a more aggressive driver. But if you're dailying this and you're just ferry footing it everywhere, you can average around 36 to 45 to the gallon, easy. Which for a car of this power, couldn't ask for much better, to be honest. One thing I just found out as well, guys, I'll put my phone down, hit adjust. It actually has wireless charging, which I didn't actually realise until now. There's a lot of things in this car that I'll probably find out later on. So you have blue Golf R 6-pot calipers, and you also have 4 pots in the rear. And I'll tell you what, they stop. What a car. What a car. I'm actually amazed. This car would be the perfect daily for me, man. Literally, it could be comfy, it could be super relaxed, a nice little drive, and if you're feeling a little bit frisky, you can literally switch it into race mode, and it's a completely different animal of car, man. Here she is one last time. What a car. If you guys are interested in this Golf R, feel free to check out the spec list down below in the description. All the info you need is there as well. Feel free to come down here to LMS Motors and check out the rest of the cars as well. We've got some Porsches behind me, the RS3. I'm not going to tease you too much. We are going to be doing a lot more reviews on this channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Drop a like down below. If you have any questions about this car or any other car, or have any other inquiry, contact us down below. All the info is there. Yeah, that's it from me, and if you guys want to see more reviews, let us know down in the comments. If you want to see a specific car, let us know. See you guys in the next video.